Good morning, students. We are starting a new lesson number 8, networking concepts. Children, in this chapter, we will learn about computer network, advantages and disadvantages of computer network. We will also learn about the various types of network and the terms we use in networking. First, children, we will understand what is communication. Communication means sending and receiving information between two or more people. The person who sends information known as a sender, and the person who receives the information known as a receiver. And for a good communication, we need a effective medium. Like earlier, we were using the postcards to send the messages, text messages. We were using phones, landline phones, for voice messages. We were just calling to other persons and we were just speaking only. We cannot see each other. But nowadays we are using the mobile phones, through that we can do video calling. Also, we are just transferring the message through the phone also. So nowadays we are using the latest technology, that is ICT, for communication. What is the full form of ICT? Information and Communication Technology. Children, ICT is the integration of telephone lines, wireless signals, and computers, important other softwares, storage devices, audio visual system that allow user to access the information, store the information, process, manipulate the information, and transfer the information to the group of people at any time, anywhere, effectively. Nowadays we are using the email service, video conferencing, chatting. All these are we are using that are based on ICT technology. It is the technology that made the communication faster, easier. Children, before understanding about computer network, first we will understand the importance of networks that we are seeing in our daily life, like network of telephone lines, network of trains, network of people connected for some cause. You have seen that many times for a big events people work voluntarily. So that is also a network. Network of roads, network of bank, ATMs. So all these networks are just make our life comfortable. See, road network. What is the importance of road network? In the systems, there are roads are interconnected and used for transportation and traveling. Because we have a road network, so we can easily reach from one place to another place. Electricity lines network. These systems interconnect electricity wires and cables and use for efficient transmission of electricity or supply of electricity to the different areas smoothly. Due to the electricity lines network, electricity department are just supplying the electricity. And in our body also we have a network of blood vessels. You all are familiar, arteries carry blood away from heart to other organs, and veins carry it back to the heart. So all these are connected and helping the blood to circulate in our body. And as you know that blood is just supplying oxygen and nutrients to our organs, and that is the reason our body works smoothly. So children, the network we have seen in our daily life are very much helpful and making our life comfortable. Just like that, we have a network of computer also. A computer network is what? It is a group of computers and devices connected for communication and sharing of resources. In computer network, children, we can share the resources also, we can share the information also. Computers can be connected with the help of wires or wireless system like radio waves, infrared signals. Now see, what is the advantage of computer network? In computer network, we can transfer the information from mobile to laptop to computers, and we can use a one printer among all the other electronic devices. So this is also advantage sharing of resources. In school lab, we can transfer files from one computer to another computer. We don't have to carry the pen drive and use pen drive to transfer the file from one computer to another computer. Computer networking is also important in office, where people can share their important files and informations. They don't have to go to one seat to another seat. So computer network is very important and useful for the communication. Internet, children, internet is what? Internet is also a type of computer network where millions of computers all over the world are connected, and all over the world people can share the informations, communicate with each other. So internet is a type of computer network, and all we know is that nowadays internet become the important part of our life. Every day we use internet to just communicate the information, to transfer the files, to do various types of work like online shopping, online booking of tickets. We are searching various types of information. So computer network is very important part of our life. ARPANET. What is a ARPANET? Children, it is the first network that is created in 1969, and the University of California, Standard Research Institute, the University of California at Santa Barbara, and the University of Utah, all universities were connected under a project that is a ARPANET, and it is the network that became the basis of the internet. ARPANET was the first network, and children, it was created for military, so that at the time of war military people can communicate with each other, and this is the basis of our today's internet. Thank you.